Okay, 6th grade. So check this out. The 7th and 8th graders usually on days when I'm gone have a rehearsal day set up in which I go through like the entirety of everything that they do and conduct them through the computer and over the sound system as the day goes on. The reason I do that is because for the 7th and 8th grade classes, they need a lot of structure to stay on task the entire time. Their class is 2 hours long, yours is only 1 hour long, and then you guys also have a pretty good track record with being well behaved. So, because of that, I am trusting you guys to rehearse your parts and make sure that you are getting stuff done the way it's supposed to be in class today. So, the subs job should be super easy. They should just get listen to you guys do some cool music, and that should take care of that. For brass class, I want you guys to break into like little circles, like literally move the chairs into circles and rehearse your individual parts. Now, during this time, you're not to be condescending, you're not to be rude to anybody else, you're just there to help and be supportive in any way that you can. Working on Alien Invasion, run that all the way through, and then also work on Samurai and do the best of your ability to make sure that everyone can play the notes. At the end of class today, well, I'll get to that in a second. Woodwind class, you guys are doing the same thing. Clarinets have a circle, flutes have a circle. Sierra for tenor sax are going to be circled up with the clarinets. Alto sax, you're in your own circle, and then Xavier, you're there. Percussion, you guys are going to be going over your parts for Alien Invasion. I want you guys on practice pads on the front row, and I want you guys to play through your parts, and then if you have any problems with the rhythms, I want you guys to help each other. So like Rico on the typical walk part, you can get together with Quentin or Chris, and you can kind of like talk through how those rhythms go and make sure that we're all doing the same thing. At the end of every class, I want to hear a recording of your class playing Alien Invasion. So all you have to do is have one person take their phone, set it up to record, or you can have, for those of you who know how to use Tonal Energy on the iPad, you can record it up there if you like. But I want to hear what your class sounds like playing Alien Invasion from start to finish. I want you to think about the things that we worked on yesterday. So percussion, I want you to think about staying in time and not playing too loud on the drum parts. For the brass class and the woodwind class, I want you guys to really focus on those dynamics. So remember, at 37, whenever we have the small sounds that go to the big sounds, really bring those things out with the articulations. So this video has now been about 3 minutes. That gives you guys almost 45 minutes to practice in your small groups and then get back together to do the recording. Okay, so when you guys have about 10 minutes left in class, if you guys haven't gone back to your groups yet, you need to go ahead and do that. For percussion class, let's put Paul in charge of timing that. For brass class, let's go ahead and put Jet in charge of timing that. And then for the woodwind class, let's go ahead and put Kaijo in charge of timing that. So make sure that gets done. Make sure you guys have a really good sounds and get a recording. And I'm really interested to hear how this goes tomorrow. So last thing, if this goes badly, 6th graders, I will never trust you again, and you will have super, super boring sub-assignments for the rest of your time at Kirk. Cool. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.